So I'm recording this video and I don't know how it's gonna end because I have the package here and it's unopened. So this could be a total failure or a success, and I am equally scared and excited. Hi everyone, I hope you are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna give you an honest review about Luxy hair extensions. So my hair, as you can tell, is not very long and I've never been blessed with like a full head of hair. I've always been on the like little hair side and my hair is like very thin. My hair has always been like that and my hair hasn't been like the longest. Like in my whole adult life, like the longest I ever remember having my hair is like this in this picture. And yes, I know my hair is probably different color. That's my natural hair color and that is probably the longest that my hair has ever been. I cut my hair once and then when I started bleaching it and dyeing it, especially bleaching it, I feel like my hair really took the damage. Obviously it got dry and it started breaking from the ends up, so even if it grows up here, it's like breaking from the bottom down, so I cannot really see my hair growth that much or almost at all. I feel like my hair doesn't grow on a natural speed anymore. So I've tried hair extensions before and I didn't have a good experience. They were supposed to be human hair. I don't even remember where I got them from, but the color they were, it wasn't the right color that I needed. So my stylist ended up like dyeing them and I don't remember if they got bleached and then styled and so on, but they got basically burned or destroyed. They were like stiff. I couldn't even brush them and it was a disaster. I wore them like 2 or 3 times only. If I have a picture, I'm gonna leave it down here as well so you can see. And it was like we had to dye it in this weird grayish that turned out like blue. It was a disaster. So when I had those extensions, like the part that is with the thread and then it has the little clips, it was like too thick. And I have a very small head and like I told you, I have very thin and little hair. So my hair wasn't enough to cover the bulk of where the clips were, and I ended up like teasing my hair so I can make like volume so I could hide that. So after that I kind of lost all of my hope in extensions and I just settled for my hair. As you can see, I try to take care of my hair. I try to put products and hydrate it. I try not to put too much heat on it. But still, I feel like it's getting damaged and I feel like it's not as long as it should be. So then I came across with Luxy hair extensions, and what caught my eye is that they claim that they are seamless. So it's basically like a tape extension, but it has clips on it. So it's basically like super thin that you can put it on your hair and you don't see it. So we're about to figure if that is true or not, because as I told you, I've only seen it on the internet. I haven't opened the package. I have it right here. And another thing that worries me is that the color is not gonna match my hair. They did have a pretty good amount of shades available on the website, but when it came to like my bleached blonde hair, they just had like 2 options that could work for me, and I went for the one I thought it was like the closest to the one I need. So I'm really hoping it's the right shade. If not, I'm just gonna probably return it because I don't want to repeat the same process I did with the old hair extensions I had and then they get ruined and then I cannot return them anymore. So I'm just gonna probably return them if they don't fit. But yes, I'm excited. So let's reveal the truth. Alright, so let's get this baby open. Ooh. Oh, nice. So it comes in this little box. Nice packaging. Very nice. and it's probably gonna be useful to storage them after you use them or every time you take them off, so that's cute. And it's like a cardboard. It kind of has like a leather feel. It also comes with this pamphlet where pictures of probably all the shades and colors they have available. And oh, these are like instructions on how to put them on, and that's basically the color I got, so I really hope it looks like that. Okay, moment of truth. Let's open this baby. Okay, so first thing, it comes with this little card and this like sample, and it says right here that you might take this sample out of the little bag it comes in, but it needs to be attached to the card, and you can try the texture and the color on your hair to see if it fits you and if you like it. And if you do, then you can go and open the rest of it, or then you can decide to return it. That way this doesn't get damaged or worn, which is a good idea, I would say. So yeah, I'm gonna get it out and see. Nice. Alright, so the feel is very, very soft. I wish my hair felt that soft. The feel is very soft, and I really like the color. I just don't know. It looks like it matches my color. What do you think? Is it too blonde? It's got here the tape part that I was telling you about. So it comes with 2 clips, and it's like super, super thin. Let me give you a close-up. Okay, I went and looked at it at the mirror with the light and everything, and it's not exactly the color of my hair, but I guess you're never gonna get the exact shade of color, but it's pretty close. I feel like if I put my purple shampoo on it, it's gonna give it more of the like grayish platinum tone I have right now. It's just like a tiny bit off. It's like a tiny bit too yellow. But I think I can pull it off, so I'm gonna risk it and I'm gonna open the rest of the package. Okay, it says right here that you cannot return or exchange if the seal is opened. So, okay. So it comes with the hair in this little bag. It's heavy and it feels super soft and it's cool. And also it comes with this little bag with 2 extra clips in case one of them breaks or something happens. So that's very thoughtful. So let's get it out of the bag. Hey. Wow, it feels super nice, super soft, and it feels like a lot of hair. I mean, I'm not used to having a lot of hair in my head, but it feels like a lot of hair. I've seen that some extensions are like full on the top, but then they're like 3 strings at the bottom, like 3 little hairs hanging. And this is not the case. It's very full all along, like all together. So I really like them. So I'm gonna break it down to you and show you how many pieces of hair it comes with. There is 2 with 4 clips in it. So there's these 2, which are the bigger ones. There is 2 with 3 clips on them, which is the medium ones. And here they are. There is 2 more with 2 clips in them. And finally, there is 4 single clips, which are this one. So it's like a string of hair, and there's 4 of these right here. So I'm gonna go and try them on. I don't know if I'm gonna wear all of it because, like I told you before, I have a very small head and I'm not really used to having long and heavy hair on my head. So let's see. Oh my god. So, oh my god. I don't know when it was the last time that I saw my hair this long. Probably never. I feel kind of weird. I'm not used to having this much going on in my head. If I run my hands through my head, I can feel the clips, but I don't think you can see them much. Like, it's not bulky, it's not making like my hair, you know, go out or anything. I feel they're pretty seamless. They are heavy. Like, I feel like my hair is heavy, and my head is usually very sensitive. I feel like I'm probably gonna get a headache after wearing these extensions because it's pulling my hair down. It's heavy. But I like it. I feel like there is a bit of a difference between the extension and my hair. You can totally see where my hair ends and where the extension starts. One of the reasons is because this is super shiny, you know? It's like super shiny. My hair is not as shiny. There's also that tiny bit of difference in the tone. I feel like once I put the shampoo on, it's gonna be more like, you know, not as noticeable. And I also feel like if I style it, if I curl it, my hair is gonna blend with the extensions. So I am very excited about this new hair. I feel definitely weird. I'm not used to it, but yeah, I'm gonna try it out, and I can update you and tell you if I like it in the long run or not once I put the shampoo and once I style it and stuff. But let me know in the comments, what do you think? You like it? You don't like it? If you want to check out their website, I'm gonna leave the link down below so you can try it for yourself. Thank you very much for watching this honest review about Luxy hair. I really hope it was useful and that you like it. If you did, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe down below so you don't miss any of the future videos of this channel. And as always, it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very soon. Bye!
You look like a mermaid.
I look like a Barbie doll.
Wow.
You like it?
Yeah.
You know? You like it?
Yeah. You need to grow your hair out.
That's what I'm trying to do.
I like it.